Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. Today I am going to give you a hair update. I've had my temporary locks for around 4 months now. If you didn't watch the video of how I got them installed and the details of the price, please click on the video that I'm going to share up here. Then you can come back and watch this. So this is just an update of how I have been taking care of my locks, how they've served me, and how I've been styling, etc, etc. So let's just dive into it. So I installed these temporary locks in June, and now as I'm filming this, it's September, and I think at the end of the month I'm ready to undo, if not the beginning of October. So let's just say they've served me for roughly 4 months or 4.5 months. The reason I really want to undo is because I think I'm actually looking forward to something new. I'm those people who can't keep the same style like for long, and I think I've really tried. And also number two is because I genuinely think it's time, because just recently 2 of them have fallen off. You can see here, but yeah, at the back and on the side 2 of them have fallen off, and I don't think I want to retouch. I think I am ready to now say goodbye to them. So when it comes to care and maintenance, what I have been doing on a daily basis is that I have been spritzing with my rice water leave-in mist. This is from Trisha's Naturals. So all I do in the morning is just spritz my hair strands, the locks themselves. After that, you'll find me laying my edges with a gel. Mostly I use Eco Styler or Cream of Nature and like a toothbrush, and then I wrap it for it to set. I also try and oil my scalp when I feel it's a bit dry, and to oil my scalp, you'll find me using Nuri Naturals hydrating hair butter. It's a shea butter. I just love how it smells and how smoothly it glides like on my hair, so it doesn't leave me with a lot of flakiness or any flakiness. So this is what I have been using on my scalp. So that's very simple on care and maintenance. I have actually washed my hair once in the house. That's because I had traveled and it had a lot of dust that even like sleeping with them would have just dirtified my pillowcase. So that night I actually decided to wash for myself, but the next day or two I actually had to go to the salon and retouch them and do the whole retouch experience. So washing by myself, it was a very easy experience. It's just that it's heavy, so you have to give yourself time for the hair to dry, and also it's a plus if you time when the sun is out. This applies to swimming. I've swum with the hair as well when I went for a break, and it was easy. It dried really fast because the sun was out. You feel a bit heavy, but not uncomfortably heavy. Yeah, so when I went for my retouch, it was a very interesting experience because I did not expect what they were going to do. So I had my hair washed, then I had it treated like at the very roots. We used a protein treatment. We used Mizani, and then after that I sat in the dryer for it to dry. And then now the retouch experience, I saw how they were now locking the hair and making it look afresh, and I found that very interesting. Like the technique used, I had never seen that, and I did not expect that. So we did that retouch, and then after that, of course, with the gel, and the hair was revived. It looked new, and I'm really tempted between doing the retouch again, but I don't want to have the same hair for my son's birthday. I'm just being extra over here, so I might just get over and done with the hair. But if you're interested to retouch, that's exactly how they did it. When it comes to styling, I must say that I have not been as adventurous as I hoped I'd be. I just like to tie it at the back and add a headband. Most of the time you'll find me with different headbands just to make the hair look good. You'll also find me sometimes using a head wrap, but not always, just when I feel like my hair is very untidy. Most of the time you'll also find me styling the way like it is right now, or leaving my hair free. I haven't been as adventurous as I would have hoped to be with styling. And when I do a bun also, sometimes it's a very messy bun just because my temporary locks are not as long as it would have been appropriate to do a neat bun. So I'm always like in a messy bun, headbands, head wraps, and freestyle. So I haven't been as adventurous as I'd hoped to be, though I hope I'll do a styling video before I undo. So generally what I have loved about the hair is, one, the freedom it has given me from the stress of thinking every morning, what should I do to my hair? Like I was that natural hair DIY chick, and when it comes to motherhood, I literally had no time. Number two, I just love the fact that I can stay with it and wash it and have it renewed or retouched, which I've done it once, but I think if you're looking to stay with the hairstyle for a very long time, then it's a very convenient style for you. You can just go in for a retouch, which takes 2 hours. You can go monthly or after 2 months, depending on how bad the hair is. Another thing that I have really loved is the fact that I can wash it. When I feel like it's dirty, I can do it at home. I also love the fact that it's not as heavy as I thought, and it's very low maintenance. It's literally just having dreadlocks. So that has given me a very good experience with the hair. And I also love the fact that it has given me a preview of how I'd look with long dreadlocks, because that is something I think I would want to do in my 40s or late 30s. Yeah, so generally that's it about the hair update. I hope I have answered all the questions that you may have had of being curious about. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section and I will get right back to you. Thank you for watching, and as usual, remember to subscribe to my channel and share this video with anyone who needs it. Bye bye.